interior angles in polygons. I hope you remember that when we were in class we worked out that the three interior of angles in a triangle always add up to 180 degrees. Interior just means the inside. So in a triangle, that angle there plus that angle there plus this angle here will always equal 180 degrees. Remember the degree sign's a little dot. Okay, sum of just means added together. If you look at a quadrilateral, you can split any quadrilateral. If you look at the diagonal, you can split any quadrilateral into two triangles by drawing the diagonal. That means the sum of angles of the interior angles in a quadrilateral will be the same as adding one triangle angles add on the other. Do you see that? So those three angles here in this side of the dotted line will add up to 180, and those three angles here will also add up to 180. Be careful, the diagonal is splitting this corner into two angles. That's why in a quadrilateral, the sum of the interior angles, so this one, this one, this one, and this one, will be the same as adding up two of the triangles. So it'll be 180 add on 180, which is 360. And some of you have hopefully noticed that in this rectangle, all four angles here are right angles. And 4 times 90, which is a right angle, is 360. So we are right in saying that. So it's 360 degrees, the interior angles of a quadrilateral. Then we can do this with any of our polygon shapes. Do you remember what a 5-sided polygon is called? I hope so. A 5-sided polygon is called a pentagon. And if we want to know the sum of angles, interior angles, which means this angle, add on that angle, add on that angle, add on this one, add on this one, what are they adding all up to together? Well, all we have to do is we have to draw how many triangles we can using one corner here. Sorry about that. I'm going to draw, I can draw one triangle there, another triangle there, and there's another triangle there. Can you see that I have 1, 2, 3 triangles? I apologise for the lines not being straight, but there are 3 triangles I've managed to make there, which means these 3 angles on this side of the diagonal will be 180 degrees. And the 3 inside here will add up to 180 degrees, and the 3 in here will add up to 180 degrees. And that will, we've used all angles here, will be the result of 3 times 180 degrees, which I hope you worked out yourselves, will be 540 degrees. And again, we can do this with our 6-sided polygon. A 6-sided polygon is called a, that's right, hexagon. So I draw my triangles using one. I'm going to start with this corner here. I can draw one triangle going there, one triangle going there, and one triangle going there. Sorry. If you can see with my rough drawing, I can make 4 triangles. Therefore, I'm adding up 4 lots of 180 degrees. Can you do that in your head? 4 times 180, 4 zeros, 4 eights are 32, 4 ones are 4, and 3 is 7. 720 degrees. And we can keep going on with all the polygons using the same rule. If you're interested in a formula, then can you think of one here? If I say the triangle has 3 sides, and the quadrilateral has 4, and the pentagon has 5, and the hexagon has 6, and then think about how many triangles are in each. In this one here, it's got 3 sides but 1 triangle, 4 sides and 2 triangles, 5 sides and 3 triangles, 6 sides and 4 triangles. Can you see the relationship between the number of sides and the number of triangles? That's right. The number of sides of the polygon, take away 2, will be the number of triangles in your polygon times 180 degrees. And because times comes before subtract, I'm going to have to put a bracket, or sorry, I should put the bracket round the other one there. I should really do it this way. I put brackets round here to make sure you do that part first. So for example, if I had a 100-sided polygon, and I wanted to know the sum of interior angles, then I would do 100 take away 2, which is 98, times 180 degrees, and that would be the sum of interior angles. Don't worry, this is really extension, this part here. Don't worry too much about knowing this, as long as you understand what the sum of interior angles means and you can see the relationship of triangles and polygons. Thank you for watching.